Okay, students, now we are interested in grouping of the resistance when resistance are connected in parallel. Okay, then what we know already, if we have three resistances, okay, three resistances connected together, how first terminal of both are together, इसका फर्स्ट टर्मिनल, इसका फर्स्ट टर्मिनल, इसका फर्स्ट टर्मिनल, तीनों रजिस्टेंस का क्या ले रहे हैं टुगेदर एक साथ. लेट अस से दिस टू बी ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस R1, 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 resistance of this is R1, this is R2, and this is R2. And its second terminal is connected again together. Then this connection will be said to be in parallel. First condition. Second condition was all these should have same potential drop. Let us say this is all these are connected with a potential a cell of having potential drop V, having EMF V. ये क्या है, एक ऐसा सेल से तीनों जुड़ा हुआ है जिसका ये क्या है, पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप कितना है, EMF कितना है V. तो देखिए आपका A पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इसका फर्स्ट से, इसका पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इसके फर्स्ट से, इसका पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इसके फर्स्ट से. अब देखिए इधर सेकंड टर्मिनल इसके लास्ट टर्मिनल से, इसका निगेटिव टर्मिनल इसके लास्ट टर्मिनल से, इसका निगेटिव टर्मिनल इसके लास्ट टर्मिनल से. तो आपको इस जगह कितना पीडी मिल रहा है, इस जगह आपका वोल्टेज कितना इसको मिल रहा है, इस जगह वोल्टेज कितना मिल रहा है, इस जगह V1, ओके, और इस जगह आपको कितना मिल रहा है इसको वोल्टेज, यहाँ पर V1 है ना, सबको वोल्टेज कितना मिल रहा है V1. तो पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप ऑफ all the resistances are V. It means here all the resistances will have same potential difference. जो इसका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा, इसका होगा, इसका होगा, किसका, जो सोर्स के बराबर होगा. इसी कनेक्शन को हम लोग पैरेलल कनेक्शन कह रहे थे. देन here resistance are connected in parallel, and suppose for this there is an equivalent resistance, let us say R, and what here we will write RP, P for parallel, equivalent resistance then connected in parallel. Then this will have same potential drop of this and same current I through this. क्या है कि इसके थ्रू करंट, इस सर्किट के थ्रू करंट I बह रहा हो और इस रेजिस्टेंस के थ्रू भी करंट I बह रहा हो, कॉम्बिनेशन के थ्रू. और ड्रॉप कितना दिया गया है, पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप V और V दोनों में सेम वोल्टेज सेम करंट. देन effect of this resistance when connected in parallel will be similar with this resistance. Then RP will be said to be the equivalent resistance of all these three resistances when connected in parallel. Okay. Then now let us see here. This current here passes here in all the three resistances. Same current is not passing. हमको ये नहीं पता है इधर करंट कितना जा रहा है, इधर कितना जा रहा है, इधर कितना जा रहा है. इट मे बी डिफरेंट. देन लेट अस से दैट करंट पासिंग थ्रू दिस रजिस्टर इज I1, थ्रू दिस रजिस्टर इज I2, एंड थ्रू दिस रजिस्टर I3. देन व्हाट द Kirchhoff's law says, Kirchhoff's law says that this current I will be the sum of all these current. यही जो करंट है 3 पार्ट में बट गया है ना, सेम करंट आई ही 3 पार्ट में बट रहा है ना, आई यहाँ गया, एक भाग इधर चला गया, एक इधर चला गया, एक इधर, तो सम ऑफ I1 I2 I3 विल बी आई। ओके, वहाँ क्या था, सम ऑफ V was equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, दिस इज द डिफरेंस। In that circuit, it means series circuit, current was same, here potential drop is same. Okay, in that case series circuit voltage was different, V1 V2 V3, here currents are different. Okay, then now let us try to find out I1. I1 is what, that is V by R1, because PD across this is V, then this will be what, V by R1. Okay, now I2 will be what, V2, V by R2, V by R1. Here we have taken R1, R2, and I3 is what, that is V by R. Okay, then let us put here the values of I1, I2, I3 is being substituted in equation number 1. Then I is equal to, now I1 that is V by R1 plus I2 that is V by R2, and this one is V by R3. Now let us take the common of V from here. Here we are taking common V, then this is what, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, this is your second equation. Now what is we are getting here? Here I is what, in this circuit I is equal to V by Rp, V by Rp, and both current are same, then equating 2 and 3, equating 2 and 3, ये आपका AVI दोनों का वैल्यू क्या है, सेम है, इक्वेटिंग दिस वन, देन V will be equal to Rp, V by Rp will be equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, then let us cancel out here, V cancel कर दिए, so what we get, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, 1 by R3, and this is the final result of a resistance when connected in series. Then what we get here, a reciprocal of equivalent resistance, 1 by Rp reciprocal of equivalent resistance is the sum of reciprocal of all the 3 resistances. Okay, then this is our final output. Then we can say that 1 by Rp equal to sum of 1 by reciprocal of, okay, sum of the reciprocals of the resistances. Okay, then in next class I am going to solve some numerical problems related with series and parallel connection. Okay.